Breakfast tacos?
Breakfast tacos!
All right, awesome.
My name is Lauren. I am a designer at an interactive agency, and then I also teach part-time.
I'm Jacob. I'm a designer. I teach design at the University of Baltimore.
They're looking to buy one of the area's older starter homes.
Maybe even like 1900s, late 1800s row home with a lot of charm and character.
Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of shared walls.
I love shared walls
I know
because
you do.
I feel like
Yeah.
it makes me feel safe. I like that I'm connected to my neighbors.
Oh,
Is this
here
the
it
house?
is. The little picket fence in front.
Awesome. Yeah, it's a row home.
First up, a place in trendy Hampton, just 2 miles from where they both teach.
That's a very small yard.
I love these floors.
Original to the home.
Hardwood floors, okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love these details. This is great. And the little door.
French doors. Yeah. Okay.
This is nice. So this is, I see the
wow.
kitchen.
Oh, you wanted a fixer-upper.
I dig it. The amount of wood in a kitchen is just so cool. We could just re-wallpaper it in a different fashion. This is funky. I really like it.
It's funky. There's a lot of character going on, but it is really tight. I mean, I just kind of feel like it doesn't give me that social vibe, right?
Yeah.
Like, or that, I don't know. This is pretty interesting. This pot
Oh,
belly.
this is funky.
It's got a potbelly stove. It's really cool.
Yeah, I do love how you see the hills and the tree line.
Right, we'll head to the second bedroom.
Okay. Oh, this is a nice
This
detail.
mantle here, this
Yeah.
is interesting.
I wonder if there's a real fireplace underneath that.
There could have been, right?
Maybe. Yeah.
Well, this is a very
Interesting.
weird house.
You asked for a fixer-upper.
Yeah, thank you for finding
There
us
you
one.
go.
Well, Lauren asked for a fixer-upper.
All right, I'll give you that
I
one.
don't know how I feel about it.
So Timmy arranges for them to see a turnkey single-family property.
Oh, I love this yard.
I thought you would.
This is the yard I want. Ready
Yeah,
to
take
go.
your time and look from the front view.
Yeah.
Is this a Foursquare, American Foursquare?
It is, Jacob. Very good. It's $399,000, but before you panic, it's been on the market a little bit. So there
Okay.
might be some negotiation there.
Okay.
We certainly get a lot for the price, though, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll
Yeah.
see that when we get inside.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Wow.
It's very white.
Very white.
Yes?
It would definitely need some color, maybe some wallpaper. I mean, I do see some original features. You're right. I mean, I love the transom over the hallway.
Yeah.
And the floors, I feel like at least they're not the gray vinyl, but they are still vinyl.
Yeah,
they're
vinyl.
not.
Correct.
They're not hardwood. It is big. It's very open.
Yeah.
I like the big windows.
This is sort of giving me galley kitchen vibes a little bit. It doesn't really feel like
Right.
social to me.
Yeah, you're kind of cut off. Yeah. Don't think that there is a solarium.
Right.
True.
Is this as close as I'm gonna get?
This would be a cool little breakfast nook, but... Oh, wow, this is like a...
Whoa.
Lots of space.
Holy cow. I mean, this is a great space for a studio,
Yeah, you
a
can
workshop.
definitely get messy. At least there's windows,
There
which
are
is
windows.
nice.
Yeah.
Oh, now this is nice.
Oh.
Oh, and there's a separate shower.
Oh,
Wow,
This is nice.
So
And
the
this
walk-in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the walk-in's
Okay.
really nice.
I'm falling in love with this place. You know me, I love the yard here. I mean, that's gonna tick in a huge box for me.
It definitely had some character that I was surprised by. Lots of great natural light.
The price does scare me a little bit.
I think there is wiggle room. It's
Yeah.
been on for a while.
But I have to keep reminding myself that it's a little bit further away from campus,
Okay.
our work.
I don't
Yeah.
think we would be able to bike to work if we got this place.
Lauren and Jacob are back near downtown today in the Hampton neighborhood to see one more row home.
Do you wish it was like brick or something, but for vinyl siding, at least it's a neat blue. Interesting.
This has a lot of charm.
I love the floors. Yeah.
Yeah, the floors are cool.
This is great.
Kind of
Those are
parquet
original parquet
style.
floors.
Really? Awesome. Yeah, they're beautiful. And I kind of dig these yellow mustard walls with the lavender bookcases.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Now the staircase is original to the home.
Oh, okay. That's cool. That's great.
Got some wainscoting under here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
This is like.
What is this? Are you doing a
Yeah, I'm only just like a
interpretive
few.
dance?
Well, it's something to get used to, the narrowness of these row homes.
Yeah.
So lots of history there.
The lighting in this front room is
Yeah,
beautiful.
this light's nice.
It's a lot of white, but I like the built-in over there is really cute. Mm-hmm. This is nice. The skylight is so cool.
I love that.
That's
with,
really
with
fun.
the natural light coming in.
Yeah.
This could
head
be
on
a
to the back.
potential, maybe, I guess, for an office or
Sure.
something.
Yeah.
But
Now remember,
I'd rather
on
just
this
have all that
house,
stuff done and ready.
This is listed for $335, but this is the heart of Hamden. So we have
Yeah.
walkability to restaurants and shops.
The location is good.
Yeah.
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 So
The clock's ticking.
Since Jacob and Lauren have already given notice on their rental, they need to make up their minds on a house quickly.
the one that jumps out at me right away is more of the fixer-upper.
Yeah, that one had so many weird features to it. I really wish there was more outdoor space with that place. I mean,
But it had that great big deck.
it's just not enough. Like, I want green space. The
Yard
kitchen was
space.
also really tiny.
It was funky.
Yeah. What did you think of that single family home?
Yeah.
A little further out.
I think the thing that excited me the most about it was that bathtub.
In the yard, I could just see putting in gardens. I could just see like mowing.
It was the classic, newly renovated flipped home. That being said,
Yeah.
there were some original details in that house that were really cool.
And I mean, in terms of growth too, I feel like that house really was well set up for kids down the line.
The other one that we saw in Hamden, the blue one with
Yeah.
the yellow door,
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
it did have a backyard too.
Wasn't huge, but it did have definitely more than that other row home. It is right on top of other people. It's one of those row homes that really is just like,
Yep.
first load of stuff.
First load of
Okay,
stuff.
what do we say? So this is technically our second car load.
Oh yeah.
We bought the row home with the yellow door.
It had all those wonderful historical features to it. It's 1900s row home.
Really beautiful hardwood floors.
Yeah. Skylights on the second
Skylight
floor.
up on the second floor. Great location.
Great location.
It's a very good bikeable distance to our jobs. It had a little bit of a backyard, a little bit of a front yard.
Haha! First tomato.